Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naim Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily update on our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, highly recommend you to do so, because this gives you an opportunity to ask us questions while we are live in this particular session. Now, as always, we discuss several different markets covering cryptos, commodities, Forex, and of course, equity market. Why don't we begin the conversation by looking at the equity market? Yesterday, we saw we saw really decent gains for the Nasdaq. In fact, the daily gain was the biggest one since November last year, so nearly 4 months. And of course, the Dow Jones and S&P 500 indices, both of them continued their upward journey. Remember, day before yesterday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average really posted its new all-time high, where the Nasdaq is still quite far because of the massive tech sell-off that we have seen during the past few days. So let's continue to monitor that. In terms of our economic data, at 1:30 p.m., we are going to get the US CPI numbers. The numbers are really likely to resurface some of that inflation concern for those concerns, those qualms which really made the market that panicky feeling, and then really created that massive concern among investors and traders who started to sell tech sell-off because of increasing bond yields and increasing the inflation concerns that the Federal Reserve may be increasing its interest rate much sooner than anticipated. But if we look at the global landscape of these monetary policy, we had the RBA coming out its decision on its monetary policy, and the stance was very same. It defended its decision that there is no need to increase interest rate despite any inflation or bond yield concern. The bank is in no rush to do that. Later on today, we have the Bank of Canada also coming up with its decision as well, and it is very much likely to be the same as well. At least that is what market is anticipating. You may want to keep an eye on CAD dollar, because that is likely to move and the decision will come. And of course, at 15:30, we are going to get the crude inventory data. The expectation is that we will get higher number in terms of crude inventories, and that can bring more sell-off for Brent and oil, which are already under considerable amount of sell-off after posting those massive gains, which happened because the OPEC left its production cut unchanged. Remember, Brent prices went well above $71 and then pierced the upper level of Bollinger Band, but now they have retraced back to the retracing back towards the 20-day simple moving average. Now, in terms of a Nasdaq, we have done a video earlier today discussing the several different price levels, where the prices really bounced, what we said yesterday on our YouTube channel, and where the prices are really going to go. So highly recommend you to have a look of all of those price levels. And of course, as always, if you like the content, don't forget to like the video, because it really helps us on our YouTube channel as well. That's all for now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, same place, same time.